That GoPro?
GoPro should. That GoPro's recording. Okay. I'm sure there's no people. Yeah, I know. Anyway, there's a lot of people. Okay, so there's this mountain.
Yeah, I see you.
Okay.
You're going to the left a little bit.
Okay. You want me to go just straight up?
I think if you go straight up, you're going to hit the mountain we want.
Okay. I turned.
You're going right. I lost you, but I saw where you were headed.
Okay. I'm still going. Do you see me on the phone?
Yeah.
Trying to conserve battery by going just kind of easy.
Yeah.
46 megabits per second, 3.81. Signal's good. I'm gonna start following this ridge line. Do you see this ridge line in line of sight?
Yep, that's the one.
Okay. It's windy. Oh yeah, baby. This is the one.
Yep. That's the massive peak.
22 megabits per second. Oh, sick.
Dude, if you could come down that, that'll be sick.
RF signal low.
Whoa. Okay, we're coming down.
Yep.
RF signal low. Very windy. Holy shoot. Oh my goodness. I see us though. I'm not gonna get too low. I'm too low. Hold on. Do you see where I'm going down?
Yeah.
Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna try to get a little closer to things. Stay above where I can see. 22 megabits per second. Oh my goodness, dude. Oh sweet, we're bringing her home.
You got to the top though.
Dude. Add a little throttle. Come back straight to us. Back to Papa. Ooh, dude, RF signal low. Did you hear that?
Yeah.
That's receiver link low. So it was like, it got up there. There must be some type of tower up there.